Hey traders, Todd here. Welcome to the free video update. We're going to talk about a stock that kind of fell off our radar a little bit, but one that I hold options in, one that I hold in the wealth management business, and I'm looking to sort of up the holdings. It has something to do with this. All right, so Celsius, amazing performing stock here. If we just take a look at the chart quickly, we've been sort of range bound since the end of 23 and early into 24. Coming up into the 786 retracement of the drop at 64.5. If we can break through there heading into earnings, that spells a lot of upside. And you can see heading into earnings, which is in very early March, the implied volatility is starting to go up, which is common ahead of earnings. The options get more expensive. So I hold a position now in CELH. It's this guy right here, holding a couple 50 strike calls that expire in March. Starting to move up out of resistance, and I'll show you where I think the stock is going. Let me just give you the rotation here first. And what's interesting is on the monthly and weekly rotation of Celsius and Monster. So out on the monthly, you can see Celsius is far to the right compared to Monster Beverage, but are both heading down this way, sort of rotating out on the monthly. So after the outperformance in both Monster and Celsius in 22 and 23, they're both kind of giving it back. But what's happening over on the shorter term weekly is though Monster is rotating down on the weekly RRG, look what Celsius is doing. Celsius is doing the trip up through weekly, lagging into the improving, and wondering with this velocity, can we head up into weekly leading, which could reverse course over here on the bigger monthly. And Monster is going in the wrong direction. You can kind of not really see it on the overlay of Celsius and Monster. You really need to be looking at the rotation. So the chart, from an LE wave point of view, we just broke up above the downtrend resistance. There is volume coming in here. I'm thinking this is the end of wave 4, and if that's the case, we may be moving up into a 5 of 5 of 3 target into the 85 to 90 mark. And as I said, I have a little bit of options here. I'm looking to really up the exposure in both wealth management and our active stock swing desk. All right, guys, just a quick little video on Celsius. It's been a mover and it's been kind of quiet, so watch it into earnings. All right, talk to you soon.